What is up, you guys? In this video, we're going to be installing Van-Made Gear's insulated window covers for both the front driver and passenger windows and the two rear cargo windows. Here's the box that it came in. I'm only going to need one tool to open this thing, guys. Just kidding. Here they are out of the box. First impressions, these things are very high quality. I'll let you guys see the stitching on them. So I went with the black exterior color, just for a little bit more stealth and privacy, and this kind of olive gray, I don't know if that's coming through the camera, olive gray ripstop color for the interior. Let's take a look how they look on the van. Here's what they look like up front. Olive gray in the interior. Black on the exterior. So the gentleman that makes these, his name is Simon B. Makes them out of Oregon. I've seen pictures of him making or sewing it up in his van, so it's pretty cool. Glad I'm supporting an entrepreneur in the van life industry and community. So pretty cool stuff. Hopefully this will keep me warm and limit the amount of heat that escapes the van in the winter, or vice versa, cold air that leaves the van when it's super hot like today. Here's what the rear of the van looks like. Very nice. You can kind of see the pattern shining through with the sun. And what I found out was these are actually reversible, so I can go with the gray on the exterior if I wanted to. I forgot to mention, these actually fold up and are held on by magnets sewn into the fabric on the perimeter, so you can actually see behind you when you're driving. How cool is that? All right. Thanks for watching today's video, guys. As always, stay safe. Catch you guys next time.